All on four is a term that indicates the use of multiple implants, at least 4 implants, to support an entire arch of teeth. An entire arch can be anywhere from 10 to 14 teeth that are supported by the implants. All on four is a generic term. Generally, we like to use more than 4 implants, but 4 implants is the minimum. Any patient that needs the replacement of all their teeth is a candidate for that procedure. Sometimes it's simple. The implants can be placed immediately. Other times, patients need bone grafting prior to implant placement, but virtually every patient can have that type of treatment. The main benefit of all-on-4 treatment is the complete restoration of the dentition. Restoration and replacement of teeth from a cosmetic standpoint and from a functional standpoint. We probably spend more time planning the all-on-4 type of case than we do actually performing it. So there are hours of planning that are done in the background between myself as the surgeon, the general dentist, and the laboratory before we actually treat the patient. We love doing full arch dental treatment plans because they're very rewarding. Patients come to us with essentially a mutilated dentition, and their final result is brand new, beautiful teeth that they can be proud of and that they can smile with. To learn more about dental implants, call our office, make an appointment for a comprehensive examination. Whether you have a problem with one tooth or with your entire dentition, we can help you correct that problem. You can also look at our website, which will have many videos and explanations of all the treatment that we do.